Good morning, 8th grade. We got lesson 33. As always, going to be doing problems 1 through 20. Our learning target is I can add the opposite. This is a really, really essential lesson, so please stay close, pay close attention. Subtraction is super lame. Anytime we can get rid of it and use addition, that's what we're going to do. Since they are opposites of one another, it's really easy to add the opposite, kind of get that in the back of your head. So here we have -3 minus 2. It's a positive 2. So we are going to add the opposite. The opposite of 2 is going to be -2. When we have 2 of the same thing, we just combine like terms. So -3 plus -2 is -5. On the opposite here, we have -3 minus -2. Again, anytime we have subtraction, we're going to add the opposite. Now we have a -3 plus +2. So when we have one of each, we got to ask ourselves, what's bigger? Well, the 3 is bigger. So we're going to take 3 and subtract 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then we know this negative is bigger than the positive. So our answer is going to be negative. -12 minus -3. Add the opposite. Again, when we have one of each, we have a negative and a positive. We're going to take the bigger one and subtract the smaller one. So we have 12 minus 3 is 9. And let me ask ourselves, what's bigger, -12 or 3? 12 is obviously bigger. So we're going to have our answer is going to end up being negative. -3 minus +12. Again, we're going to add opposite of +12 is -12. 2 of the same thing, we're going to combine like terms. -3 plus -12, just like 3 plus 12, is going to be -15. Draw our line down the middle. We're going to look at number 1. It says, at midnight, the temperature was -5 degrees Fahrenheit. By 10 a.m. the next morning, it had increased by 17 degrees. What was the temperature at 10 a.m.? And they give us a few options. So we know it was -5. And we added 17 degrees. We want to figure out what that is. So we can kind of visualize that on a number line, just kind of like we're doing right now. We have one of each, and we have an addition problem. We have 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is going to be 12. And then again, we ask ourselves, what's larger, the positive or the negative? The positive is larger in this one, so our answer stays positive. So we grew to 12 degrees Fahrenheit, or B. Again, we'll be doing problems 1 through 20. If you need me, go ahead and Zoom.